Malapit na ba siya, sir, for reso here?
Yes, I think it was mentioned already na yung isang kaso na pending dito sa amin where Senator Joel Villanueva is charged with malversation is already submitted for resolution. That is as far as the case which is here in the Department of Justice. I am not privy to or aware of any other case or if there are cases which are also pending before the Office of the Ombudsman. No? Kasi hindi namin alam kung ang reference is made with respect to those cases, pero ang kaya lang namin sagutin is yung kaso na nandito sa amin.
Sir, tama no, yung kay Sen Joel, tatlo yung case, complaint na nakafile sa kanya. Yung sa tatlo na yun, nakapag-submit na siya ng counter niya?
Yeah, to clarify, ma'am, as I mentioned earlier, as of February 2, 2026, yung 6 na kaso involving Wawa or Top Notch, 3 of which kasama na si Senator Joel Villanueva have been submitted for resolution. So, ibig sabihin, nakapag-file na siya ng counter affidavit niya, kumpleto na yung documents sa harap ng prosecutor for them to make their finding whether or not prima facie evidence exists. So, as to when exactly, again, we're working with the timeline.